morning all those who have joined this great occasion. I welcome you all for the grand event. It's going to be a memorable event in each one of us life. You'd have all remember from our KG to the chant segment when we entered how important the occasion was. And again, once again, our management has given us the opportunity to enjoy the same feeling of the graduation of our young, budding, future generation kids. So these students are going to be the pillars of the upcoming entire scenario. So all the function will always begin with a prayer. So I just call upon Tarni and Dia Balaji to present the prayer song. Yes, Dia. Tarni, you can start. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I request all the others to join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, Mr.
Asato ma sargamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya vidyoma amadam kamaya om shanti 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 saraswati namastubhyam varade kamarubini vidyarambam karishyami siddhe bhavatu me sada. Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Chacha Parabrahma, Dasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Yes. So all the occasion of us will be begin. So we have seek the blessings of the Almighty. So after that, we'll follow it by the lightning of the lamp, which is very important for each one of us. So I request Rupa ma'am.
Thank you, Sharmila ma'am. It's indeed overwhelming to be part of this group. I'm really happy to be present here for the graduation day program of Madanandapuram branch primary children from primary to high school. I wish all of them best of luck. And let's start the program.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Now I just call principal sir also just for lightning of the lamp.
Good morning, all of you. It is indeed a great occasion for all of us. So, on behalf of the management of Narayana E-Techno School, Madanandapuram, I welcome Rupa Rajaram Madam, Principal, Narayana Olympiad School, Porur Branch, for giving her consent to grace this function. So, this is a very proud moment for all of us. So, Sharmina Madam, kindly start the function. Thank you, Madam. Thank you.
So lightning of the lamp. The lightning of the lamp is an important. We all think just it shades the lights to us to the entire darkness. These light will disappear the darkness in the place where it is lightened. The five phases of every lamp indicate each one of us what the internal graduate or the qualities which a person should inbuilt in each of us. So now Arupa ma'am and principal has lighted this lamp not only virtually, even in each one of us souls in our homes, right? So each of these phases I would like to give. The first phase is an affection. The affection which we show to our fellow men, which is very necessary in this pandemic situation. Intelligence, the another light, the phase, one more phase of the lamp spreads the intelligence in each one of the students' life. Resoluteness, we should resolute today, not only today, every day when we wake up in the morning, that we are going to do something useful to the society, to the fellow man who is next to us. We should always be smile and greet everyone. The patience is very, very, very important. We have to work hard and patiently wait for a success. If you are not succeeded first time, don't get deserted. So you have to keep on moving and consider this also important in your graduation. The next one is caution. Be caution in whatever you do. The patience and consciousness with what you're doing will always give you the fruits one day surely in your life. So let this lamp and the light and all these things enlighten each one of you in your souls and in your lives. Before going into the presentation session, I would like to take you all to a small recap. Bhuneshwari ma'am, the screen is visible, ma'am.
Sharma Devi, madam, screen is visible, madam.
Yes,
You can
yes,
carry on. You can carry on. Yeah.
So we have gathered today for the wonderful occasion of the graduation day celebration. It is an important event in each of us, right? So future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So kids, dream bigger. I welcome today's hero and heroines, that is my lovely kids and their beloved parents. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Surely you will be able to achieve everything. Next, I would like to welcome our state coordinator, ma'am. Every kite is able to fly high because only by somebody is holding it tight. So I love to welcome a state coordinator, ma'am, who is the main root of everything. She is a Kritika, ma'am. Next, followed by a zonal coordinator, ma'am, who is always helping us in each and everything. So I welcome her also, who is also a backbone for us. The important chief guest who has lightened the lamp and brought the smile and happiness in everybody's same way in a smile. Always she'll greet everybody with a smile. Our principal of Narayana E-Techno School, Porur branch. I'm really feel privileged to welcome her because she was also an English teacher, and because of her hard work and dedication, she has reached and she has become the principal of one of the branches. So she is a best example, and we are really best students to have such a great personality to really proving herself by her hard work and dedication. So please think about the hard work and dedication, how she has uh, become the principal now. And next are always a supporting and in our branch level is a principal, J. Praveen sir. Next, my friends and colleagues and all the teachers, you all miss them, right? We all used to meet every day, but now we also miss you and you also miss us. Next, we had so many celebrations in our online and everything virtually, which was a different experience throughout last year. I would just like to take not everything, at least a few things to be highlighted. The first was an Independence Day celebration, which was really wonderful. So many kids performed their culturals right from their home. We all gathered together in our Zoom. They presented their topics in a lovely way. Their spirit for the nation was shown in each of their presentations. And the independence occasion was a grand. This shows that no barriers are there to stop us from doing anything. Even though we were locked inside our rooms, so each of the celebrations went on in a more planned way. The next was our Teachers' Day celebration. Maybe this was the first Teachers' Day celebration which was done virtually. So all the kids presented their lovely cards, their wordings to the beloved teachers, their speech and everything in a lovely way. It was a memorable event. I hope everybody would have traveled back to those days or occasions when you presented those things for us. Next was the Dasara celebrations and the Diwali celebrations. So each one of us presented all the activities which was assigned to you was done from your home, and you were able to do and send it to us in a lovely pics. So few of your presentations and activities I would just like to highlight it today. Maybe I may not cover all the students, but few at least. So you can carry yourself back to those occasions and the celebrations what we have done virtually. The next, even the Nutri-Deal activity we have not left. If it is regular school, every month we used to have some Nutri-Deal activities, which will be organized in a better way. So that also we have done in our virtual thing. So each one of us, you presented the values of the fruit, the beneficials of it, how important it is. And remember, you have to eat healthy to live healthy. Next was our Xmas Day celebration, that is Christmas celebrations and the activities related to that. All your dressings, your Santa Clauses, the activities were related to watermelon. You remember, I think so. You have to shape it and you have to make Santa Claus in a different way. Next was a Farmers' Day celebration. They are the backbone of every country. So agriculture is the backbone. And really we are proud to have our young students presenting their views in a different way to honor these such farmers who are the great pillars. They did the gardening and farming in their own homes, and they were able to send those to us. The proud moment for the entire chance segment was the book release done by three of our lovely kids, Akash Mailan, Kanishkarya, and Jyoti Krishna. And these kids were facilitated by our principal in our school campus. Thank you. This presentation would have taken you to a short break of all those things. I hope so. Yes. Now I would call upon Rupa ma'am to share her valuable words with us.
Thank you, Sharmila ma'am. Indeed, your presentation was a complete presentation. Virtually, you had taken a complete glimpse of what all you have conducted in the last academic year virtually. Congratulations to all the teachers, all the students, and our principal Praveen sir for making this complete academic year virtually run smoothly without any hassle. Thank you so much, Sharmila Madam, for your invite. I'm really overwhelmed. I could understand the feeling that you are carrying, the great respect that you are having for me. I'm really overwhelmed. Thank you so much. And you have an excellent team, Praveen sir, your Tamil Madam, Shobita Madam, Vice Principal Madam. Sharmila Madam has been along with us for some time. She is part of our English department. We've done a couple of workshops together. And to mention other staff also, few whom I've not directly interacted, but I'm really proud you have good set of teachers from CHAMS department in Madhanandapuram. Congratulations to you, sir. Coming back to the graduation day, the actual program today for all the children, all the best to you on successful completion of the primary level. And now you're stepping up to the high school. Now your activities, Eco Club, Heritage Club, all that you'll have to set a little time for them, and you have to concentrate more on the academics. You'll be into more of listening to mathematics sessions, physics sessions, chemistry session, biology. So the science also will be split. You will also have a teacher who will guide you through to send projects for NASA. And then there are a lot of competitive exams that will open up your gateway to understand more about what is science, what is mathematics, what are the competitive exams available outside in the competitive world, and how competent enough that you will have to be. So all the best to all of you. Attend all the exams. Don't absent yourself from exams. That is very important. Be a part of the examination. You will take up bi-monthly CDF program. I think Praveen sir will be giving you an insight about the Olympiad orientation program. Pay attention and listen to what sir is telling, and take up notes. My one sincere advice to all the children will be, try to read the lesson from the textbook before the teacher starts teaching it in the class. That will actually help you understand better. Let me repeat again. Try to read the lesson from the textbook beforehand, before the teacher is teaching that lesson in the class. The micro schedule is available with you. So you can, vaguely, you will have an idea about which lesson, which topic the teacher will be teaching in this particular month. So on a monthly basis, each subject, please try to go through the lesson. It will help you a lot. Then, above all, the foundation that you have received from your primary segment teachers, don't forget to wish them or stay in contact with those teachers. Most of the time, what happens is children, when they move from primary segment and when they go to high school, they forget the foundation that they have received from the primary school teacher, and they just move on. But remember, these teachers will be available for you when you need them. In case you have anything that you have to share to these teachers, please open up, go to the teachers. They are the ones who are very close to you, and they know about you. Each one of you have traveled for 2 or 3 years along with them. So definitely these teachers will be able to solve a lot of problems or a lot of issues. They'll be able to help you. And it's really happy to be part here, and I congratulate all of you for graduating from primary to high school. All the best to all of you. Thank you, Praveen sir, for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this auspicious occasion. And indeed, this will be a memorable day for me as well. Thank you so much, sir. Over to you, sir.
Now I call upon our beloved principal, J. Praveen sir, to enlighten us with his valuable words.
Good morning to all of you. I welcome our chief guest, Rupa Madam, Principal, Narayana Olympiad School, Porur branch. Then I welcome our core staff members and the segment in charges. Sarla Madam, High School Segment, Academic Dean, Shobita Kamala Madam, E-Chap Segment Vice Principal, Nitya Madam, E-Kids Vice Principal, and all the staff members or core members who have traveled with me or with the management for the past 1 year. So last year around March 25th, we had a radical shift from the offline classes to the online classes. So all the students and the staff members, everybody worked as a team and were able to accomplish the task, and we are at the end of the academic year. Most probably we are going to start the next academic year. In this regard, what are the valuable suggestions what the chief guest told? Then Sharmila madam pinpointed some of the important flashback memories, was very useful to you. Graduation day, that is, you're going from the primary to the high school segment, you should be more extra cautious and you have to adapt what are the things that are going to come with you, like CDF exams, all those Olympiad orientation, everything have to be well versed, and what are the subjects you're going to take. So this is an important day in your life, June 1st 2021. Kindly don't forget, mark your calendars, because virtually the management has also given us a wide opportunity and the technology is also integrated with us, so that we'll be in a position to graduate you all. It would be better if you had done the physical graduation, but due to the unavoidable circumstances, we are doing this graduation. So I thank all the parents and the students also for supporting the management during this crisis and the pandemic time also. All the best for your future endeavors. Thank you all.
Yes. Next, thanks for your valuable words and speech, sir. We require your support and motivation throughout this academic year also, sir. And now I ask, there is few students who is very eager to share about their feelings about the virtual classes. Akash Mailan.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma, you can.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Akash Mailan. I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am going to speak about virtual classes. We have been attending the online classes for more than a year now. Our entire 5th standard studies went fully in online classes, and we missed the school days a lot. During school days, we used to study and play with our friends and interact with our teacher directly. But now we miss all this personal interaction. During school days, we would study together and play together with friends. But now, due to online classes, we feel alone in our home. But in this pandemic situation, we understood it is best to be in home, which can keep us safe. So, online classes are the best at this situation, and we hope to return to school soon. Thank you.
Yes. Next, I call upon Sundara Magalingam. Sundar. Yes, Sundar, you can unmute yourself. Yes, ma'am. You can share your views.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sundara Mahalingam. I am going to share my online class experience. Due to this COVID pandemic, the whole world shifted to online classes. Our teachers also started online classes to continue our studies. First, when the online classes were started, it was difficult to understand and learn. But after a few months, it becomes easy, and I learned so many things from my teachers. And I learned some more apps in my mobile. During this lockdown period, online class made my time so productive. My teachers gave me a project to make a PPT and I did well. Before all these days, I was just playing games in my mobile. But after lockdown, I'm using my mobile phone more effectively. I would like to thank all my teachers and their efforts that they made for our online classes. Even though online classes are good, physical classes are the best because I miss my friends, my teachers, classroom and school environment. Thank you. Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Thanks for your experience sharing. Now, we'll go for the presentation of e-certificates.
Sharmila ma'am, sorry for the interruption. I request all the parents to please keep the Honor the children with the cap, graduation cap, on behalf of our principal. I request all the parents to honor our students with the graduation cap, followed by Sharmila ma'am will share the e-certificate. Children, if your parents are at work, you yourself, you can keep your cap. Those who have graduation cap, please. Yes, thank you so much. You continue, ma'am. Ma'am will give you the e-certificate now.
Yes, I would call upon Akash Mailan.
Excuse me, Sharmila ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. After
Ma'am, one by one, I will spotlight, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. As I say
Take
the
them.
name, you can spotlight them, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, please switch on your camera, please. We couldn't able to spotlight you. Please switch on your camera.
Yes. Yes, this is our lovable Akash Mailan. We are proud. Your parents are also there beside you, Akash.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, followed by
Thank you so much for joining with us, Akash. Akash Malin's parent.
Adil.
Thank you so much.
Adil
ma'am.
Mustafa. Adil, raise your hands, ma.
Turn on your video also, ma'am.
Yes, Adil, here is your graduation certificate. Okay, your parents are there beside you, Adil.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Next, Akash Annamalai, I think says. Akash Annamalai, if you're there, please raise your hands. Followed by Akshita and Anirudh. Akshita is there, I think. So, Akshita, please raise your hands, ma. So, teachers will spotlight you. I'll share your certificate. I think so. Akshita is also not there. So, we'll move on to Anjana.
Akshita is there, ma'am. Akshita is there. She's raising her hand.
Okay, I've just moved to Anjana. Ma'am, spotlight Anjana now. I have opened Anjana's certificate.
Akshita, please wait, ma'am.
Wait 1 minute, ma. Yes, Anjana. Yes, ma'am. Can I move to the next person?
Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Ranjana. All the best.
Akshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Akshita. I want to smile, Akshita. Yes, you should be proud and smile. You're graduated today. Okay. Your mother is there beside you? Yes. I'll move to the next one. Akshita? Yes. Congrats, dear. Anueshwarya? Anueshwarya, Arvind Gugan, Asatosh, you three just raise your hands. Ashwin, Bhavish, Bhavna, if you're there, please raise your hands. I'll go with, yes, Bhavish is there. Bhavish, happy to see you. Be happy to receive a certificate, right? You have completed successfully your chant segment and stepping into your techno. So be happy, right? Congrats, dear. Bhavana, Charvita, Krizu. Asatosh is there. Asatosh. Yes, Asatosh. Congrats, Asatosh. After Asatosh, followed by Dakshina, Dakshinesh, Tarini, Dakshan.
Dharani, I have spotlighted, ma'am.
Tarini, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dharani. Your parents also beside you. It's proud moment for all of us. I can see the smile in their face.
All the best, Dharani. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir, for joining with us. Next.
Dakshinesh, T Dakshinesh, K Dakshinesh, or Dakshan, Davaneshwar, Dilli Babu, Dimple. Please raise your hands, students.
Dakshina, I have spotlighted, ma'am.
Dakshina, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Dakshina, smile. Yes. Your parents are there beside you.
All the best, Dakshina.
I think so. Arvind Gugan is there, ma'am. I have taken Arvind Gugan certificate. Spotlight Arvind Gugan, ma'am.
Arvind Gugan video is off, ma'am. I'll spotlight.
I have spotlighted
Yeah, Balaji, ma'am.
Arvind Gugan, I have spotlighted. Yes, Arvind Gugan, all the best for your future techno, right? Even your mom is beside you. Very proud of you. Like this, you should achieve even in your next college levels, right? Each of your parents are beside you to see your next level of achievement. Yes, K. Dakshinesh. Thank you so much, Arvind. Yes, Dakshinesh. Congrats, dear. Next, T. Dakshinesh, Dakshin, Danyashri, Davaneshwar. If you are there in the meeting, please raise your hands. If your turn is over, you can just lower your hands. Danyashri. Danyashri, you're a new student. You have completed the whole year through online, right? We were able to meet each of us only through this online. We'll soon meet in the school premises, right? Yes, your father is also beside you. Thank you, sir, for your support. Next, Davaneshwar, Delhi Babu, Dimple, and Diya Balaji. So Diya is there. Diya Balaji, you can wear your hat, ma. You asked your. Yes, I can see your proud mom beside you. Always. Okay. So congrats for your next level of success. Right? Even during your college. Your father is also there beside you. Okay. Congrats, dear. Yes, ma'am. Isa Fawaz Gautam. Fawaz is. Yes, Fawaz. I can see your proud mom beside you. Right? With a broad smile. Make her to smile more by your more achievements, what you achieve in your life. Okay? Not only to Fawaz, each of you in this meeting, a smile will become more as a mother or as a teacher only by each of your achievements every day what you get. Okay. Thank you, dear. Next, Harshita, Guru, Gautam. If you're there in the meeting, you just raise your hands, ma. Harshita is there. Ma'am, spotlight Harshita, ma'am. Yes. Harshita, congrats. Yes, ma'am. Followed by Janani, Aishwarya Sai, Jivita, Jerek, Jitesh. If you people are there in the meeting, please raise your hands, ma. Jitesh. Congrats, Jitesh. All the best for your future. Yes. Next, Jerek. Jerek, beside you, your mom is also there. Yes. Make her more proud by your more achievements, what you make every day. Okay. Kanishkarya. Kanishkarya. Yes. Your mom is also there beside you. Yes, Ganesh, like your one book, we are waiting for so many other books from your end, right? The budding writer. Congrats, dear.
We'll share the photo in group, Ganesh, don't worry.
Okay, next person. Kavin Ganesh, Kavinisha, Kavya, Kavya Shri. You can just raise your hands. If your turn is over, you can lower your hands, dears. Kavin Ganesh, smile has disappeared. Yes. Your parents are also there beside you? No, okay. All the best for your future.
That's why it's dull. We are with you, don't worry. Still, you're
Kavin,
expecting your
next
mother.
person, ma'am. Kavinisha, Kavya, Kavya Shri, Lakshmi Narayanan. Kavya is there, I think. Okay, Kavinisha. Yes, Kavinisha. Yes, after seeing your certificate, I can see your smile also, right? See, from tomorrow, your classes are going to begin. You had a lovely holidays of almost 1 month. So there should be some smile and energy, right? Kavinisha? Yes, next Kavya. 1 second, ma'am. I'll take Kavya's certificate. Kavya, yes, beside you, your mom. Very proud to see you receiving your certificate. Yes. Happy to see you, dear. Thanks, ma'am, for your support. Not only to this mom, all the moms and dads who are beside the entire year, we have shared few things and
Children, those who received your e-certificate, please wait. We need to take graduation day pledge. Please don't leave the meeting. Please wait. Please wait till the end.
the next Lakshmi Narayanan, Madhavan, Magadi, Mogita Shri, Mukesh Bharat. Madhavan. Yes, Madhavan. Happy to see you, Madhavan. Hi, Madhavan. Yes, happy to receive your certificate. Yes, show me your thumbs up. Yes, good. Thank you, ma'am. Mogita Shri. Here's your certificate, Mogita Shri. Thank you, Mogita. All the best. Mukesh Bharat, Navika, Nilashri, Nishant, Parishit. If you're there, please just raise your hands. Jyoti Krishna, raise your hands. Jyoti Krishna.
Neela Sri, ma'am.
Nilashri, ma'am. Okay. Jyoti Krishna also I have. Nilashri, congrats, dear. Yes, you lower your hand, no? Yes. Be smiling, okay? Be happy, right? Thank you, dear. Mukesh Bharat. If your parents are there, they can also stand beside you. It's a proud moment for them also. Mukesh Bharat. Yes. Happy to see your certificate, Mukesh. Not physically, virtually, right? Superb. Thank you, Mukesh. Parishit. Once again, Parishit. Yes, Parishit. Congrats, Parishit. Your dad is beside you. Congrats, dear. Next, Pradikshana. Pradikshana, on your camera, ma. Yes. So your father is wearing your hat. Yes. Congrats, Pradikshana. Next, Priyanka, Rakshan, Rashan, Rifa, Ritesh, Ryan, Sagitya, Sai Sagityan. If you are there, you can just raise your hands. Jyoti Krishna,
Ripa.
you can raise your hands.
Ripa, ma'am.
Rifa, ma'am. Okay. Rifa, from the beginning with the smile. Once again. Yes, Rifa. Very happy to see your certificate virtually. Soon it will reach you. Don't worry, okay? Thank you, Rifa. Next, Jyoti Krishna. Yes, congrats, Jyoti Krishna. Wait, yes, your mom is wearing
Just a
your
minute.
hat, right? Yes, your camera, we are not able to see your hat. Yes. You're adjusting now. Congrats, dear. Congrats, Jyoti Krishna. Okay. Next. Guru. Ma'am, Guru is there.
Guru Prasad only, ma'am.
Congrats, Guru. Beside you, you have your lovable parents, right? Yes, you can wear your hat. Yes.
Just a minute. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Next, Ryan. Congrats, Guru.
Charvita, ma'am.
Ma'am. Charvita. Congrats, Charvita. Yes. All with your pretty, lovely hats. Yes, ma'am. I'll move to the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Sai Saitya. Sai Saityan, look pretty with your graduation hat. Yes, your mom is also beside you.
Ma'am, you can also join. No
Ma'am,
problem.
you can join, ma'am. Sai Sahiti and mom, you can just sit beside your child. No issues, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, I'll move to the next person. Rakshan. Rakshan.
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
present.
Rakshan is there.
Congrats, dear. Next, ma'am. Pranana Kasturi.
No, ma'am. Rayan.
Ma'am. Okay. 1 second, Rayan.
Rayan, could you please keep your camera a little bit back?
Your face is not clear, Rayan.
Yes. I'll give you the snap, man. You just keep the camera back.
We'll share you the photos. Don't worry, dears. You have your hat, you can wear it and you can sit if you have means. Yes, your father also can join beside you.
Mother. Pranana.
Pranana, ma'am. Pranana Kasturi. Congrats, ma'am. Siddharth, Jivita, Srinidhi, Navika, Varshini, Tanish, you can just raise your hands. So one by one, Shakti. Those who have received it, please lower your hands.
Those who didn't still receive your e-certificate, please raise your hand, ma'am.
So Shakti. Shakti I have taken, yes. Shakti, this is your certificate. Shakti, don't worry, your dance, you can present it now. Okay. I want you to be with smile. No need to worry. Okay. Yes. Ma'am, Shakti is now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Navika.
No, Shakti is. So you have moved to Navika. Yes, Navika. Congrats, Navika. Navika, you can lower your hand. Okay. Next, I'll move, ma'am.
Srinidhi KS.
Okay, okay. Navika still. Wait, ma'am, you just
I
spotlight
think she
Navika.
had some network issue. She left. Varshini, ma'am. Ma'am, Varshini was spotlighted.
Varshini.
Varshini, where are you? Sit, sit.
Yes, Varshini, you can have your ad if you have. Okay, no
Mother.
problem. Congrats. I can see your mother also. Next, ma'am.
Sundar.
Sundara Magalingam, congrats. Your grandparents, everybody are beside you. Congrats, dear. They'll be very proud, especially the grandparents. Yes.
Sunishka Sai.
Next, ma'am, Sunishka Sai. Sunishka, can you focus your camera a little lower, ma'am? I'll move to the next person, ma'am. Sunishka, focus your camera, ma'am. Your face is not visible. You be seated, dear. You be seated. Yes, yes, that's enough. That's enough. Bhuneshwari, ma'am. Karpagam, ma'am, I'll move to the next person.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next person
Jeevita,
is-
ma'am.
Jeevita, congrats, dear. She's fully dressed up, the coat and everything. Next person,
Tanesh Anil Nair, ma'am.
happy to see your parents beside you, like two pillars always beside you, strongly standing, dear. Yes, make them proud by each of your achievements. Still, anybody else? Kavinisha, Jyoti Krishna, you have received your certificates, ma? Still, those who are yet to receive your certificates, please raise your hands. Yashwant Kumar. Thank you, ma'am. Siddharth.
Ma'am,
AK.
Siddharth AK.
Siddharth, congrats. Throughout the year, we were able to meet only through virtually, right, Siddharth? 6th standard, we will be meeting in the campus, okay? A new admission. You met all your friends only virtually the whole year 5th standard. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your support also, sir. You can wear your hat 1 second, dear Siddharth. Your hat. Your father also can be beside you. Oh, superb. Nice. Thank you, sir. A Siddharth, ma'am. A Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Sundara Vishnu.
Vishnu.
Whom you have spotlighted, ma'am?
Ma'am, Vishnu K.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Ma'am, Vishnu only, ma'am. Vishnu spotlighted, ma'am.
No need, ma'am. Move to the next person, ma'am. He is 6th standard now.
Oh, okay.
The next person, ma'am. Any other 5th standard, last year 5th standard students?
Ma'am, Siddharth A.
Siddharth A.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth. Very proud, Siddharth. Yes, your mother is beside you. I want a smile in Siddharth. Yes, your mom is very proud beside you, see? Yes, Siddharth. Anybody else yet to receive? Happy, Siddharth. Congrats. Yes. Anyone else still? You can just raise your hands. Ma'am, Srinidhi, we have to give you.
Srinidhi.
Srinidhi is for,
Srinidhi, raise your hand, ma.
yes, ma'am. Srinidhi,
I think so. Network issue, ma'am.
I think so they are, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And Srinidhi,
Srinidhi KS only.
yes, ma'am. Srinidhi KS only. Not able to view her.
Kritanya, one student. Who is that
That is
Kritanya?
fourth standard. Few other parents.
Possibly.
This year 5th standard, ma'am.
That there.
Okay.
Yashwant Kumar, ma'am.
They had network
Yes,
issue, I
ma'am.
guess.
Yes, ma'am.
We can go for graduation day pledge, ma'am. I think.
Yashwant
Yes,
Kumar.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yashwant spotlighted, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yashwant Kumar, congrats.
Yashwan, is your parents are with you now? Take, ask them to join with you. Ask them to join.
Good morning, Priya, ma'am.
Morning, dear ma'am. Good morning, sir. Good morning, all the teachers. Happy to see you all in the graduation day. Really good to see all the students with the cap, graduation cap, right? Really wonderful session, ma'am. Very well organized, sir. Valsvakam principal, sir, Mr. Jai Praveen, sir. Really very well organized, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot for the graduation day celebration for the children. Really, class 5 student has been proven, really, right? The children, they are going for their formal education. Really, it is very necessary to appreciate and inspire them for their education. Really, it's good, nice to see. They are going for the first step for the leaders, right? You're going from chance to techno. Really, I'm thankful to all the parents for wonderful support in this pandemic. Actually, we had taken class only in the Zoom. That is the platform for our school, actually. So we did not have any physical class, but the children had completed their entire class 5 education in the platform, in the Zoom portal itself. Really wonderful. You have completed your class 5. And today also you have completed your graduation and you are going stepping in the next step of e-techno. It's a really, still you are going to learn something from e-techno. So what is the support the parents you have given for CHAM segment? Same support and cooperation Valasravakam branch need for the segment of e-techno. Really, each and every parents we have to tell thank to end of the academic year. Really, parents, same cooperation and your support we need for upcoming years also. Even I want to special thank to the teachers of class 5 subject teachers. Really, you did a wonderful job for this 1 year. You made students like a leader. Even you are going to give that particular students a very big leader to the techno segment. Definitely the students, you have to prove and you have to show your obedience towards the techno teachers, and you have to prove the children of CHAMS segment. So we are from CHAMS. We are from that particular teacher student. So likewise, you have to take a good name of your segment and good name of your particular teachers. I am a student of Sharmila ma'am. I am a student of Bhuvaneshwari ma'am. I am a student of Sobita ma'am. So like that, you have to, each and every students, you have to prove yourself from 6th standard. So 6th standard is like, how can I say, in that Olympiad school, like in our e-techno school, you are not going to learn only the NCERT. You are going to learn even IIT and JEE programs also. So still more sincerity you need from 6th standard. So definitely I'm thankful to all the teachers, including so many teachers name I missed, even Lata madam, social teacher and math teacher, who's that? I could not
Durga
remember.
Devi.
Durga.
Durga Devi
Devi,
madam, really, Durga Devi madam and all from class 2 to class 5, really very good improvement she had given to the teacher. Really, you have to take a good name to the teacher especially. And here actually I can see the chief guest Rupa ma'am from Porur branch. Really wonderful to see you, ma'am. This is the boost up for Valstravakam students.
Pleasure's mine, ma'am. Very happy to see you too. The energy that you are passing as the coordinator for the entire CHAMPS team is visible. Entire CHAMPS team from Madanandapuram is really very strong, and I'm really overwhelmed to be part of this program. Thank you, madam.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am. You can continue, ma. Sobita, you can continue. That's all, or still more students are waiting for certificate, dear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Students
After that, graduation pledge, ma'am. I request you to
Pledge. Fine.
Thank you.
Very good, ma. Very good. You can continue. Continue, dear. Continue. Thanks
Thank
a
you.
lot, dear.
Ma'am, Yogeshwaran. Wait,
Yogeshwaran from the Yashwant Kumar. Yogeshwaran left, I think, ma'am.
I know he has raised his hands now.
Yes, ma'am. Spotlighted, ma'am.
One second.
Yogesh, please switch on your camera, Yogesh. Ma'am, you just post Yogeshwaran certificate, ma'am. I think he has network issue.
Doing it. Yogeshwaran and Dilli Babu is also. Yogeshwaran. I think so. He's having some network issue. I cannot view his video, ma'am.
Yogeshwaran, your e-certificate, please switch on your camera, Yogesh. No problem, Yogesh. You just we'll take the snap separately, Kana.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have network issue, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
no, we can understand. Ma.
Okay,
All the
ma'am.
best, Yogesh.
I think so. Dilli Babu is also left over, ma'am. He's also had network
No, ma'am,
issue.
he is not in the meeting.
Okay, he has left once again.
Ma'am, Dilli Babu is there in the meeting, ma'am.
Okay.
Join the
I'm just sharing his.
Dilli Babu,
Dilli
please.
Babu, raise your hands. So teachers will spotlight you. Other students, please wait, ma. You have to take up your pledge and then you can leave. Dilli Babu. I think so. Even he is having some network issue, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Congrats, Dilli Babu.
I request all the students to please switch on your camera.
Is the pledge visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Children, please keep your hands near to your chest like this. Wear your graduation cap. Keep your hands near to your chest. We are going to take a pledge.
I request Rupa, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, will you please?
I can't hear you, ma'am.
Rupa, ma'am, please make our kids to take their pledge, ma'am. You
All
present
right, ma'am.
over it, ma'am.
You want me to read it out?
Yes, ma'am. Students, you are going to repeat after Rupa, ma'am.
Students, kindly repeat after me. I am somebody.
I am somebody
The me I see is the me I'll be.
The me I see is the me I'll be.
I can be respectful,
I can be respectful,
responsible,
responsible,
and resourceful.
and resourceful.
I can succeed.
I can succeed.
I make mistakes so I can learn.
I make mistakes so I can learn.
I learn so I can succeed.
I learn so I can succeed.
So I can succeed.
I succeed so I can help others.
I succeed so I can
So
help
I
others.
can help others.
I pledge to show my respect
I pledge to show my respect
by listening to others,
by listening to others,
to others,
using my hands for helping,
using my
my
hands
hands for helping,
caring about others' feelings,
caring about others,
others' feeling,
and being responsible for what I say and do.
and being responsible for what I say and do.
I am in school to learn.
I am in school to learn.
I will follow the directions of my teachers.
I will follow the
directions
directions
of
of
my
my teachers.
I will say only kind things about others.
I will say kind things about others.
I'll do my very best.
I'll do my very best.
I am in school to learn.
I am in the school to learn.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can mute yourself, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, welcome dance. Actually, Shakti is ready. She joined.
Just a minute, ma'am. I think Priya ma'am was joined with us now. I request Priya ma'am to hand over the charm segment to techno segment in jazz. Sarla ma'am. Sarla ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, am I audible?
Your voice is breaking,
welcome,
ma'am.
Sarla ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I
I
thank
request
each and
Priya ma'am
every
to-
staff.
I request Priya ma'am to hand over the charm segment to techno in charge. Priya ma'am.
Priya ma'am is not there, I think. So.
Principal sir.
Yeah, madam. Tell me, madam. Madam, Priya madam is not there, huh? Priya madam.
No, sir.
Okay, madam. Okay. So, in this regard, the graduation day program has come to an end. I request all the students and the parents also. So, a smooth transition from the e-charms department to the e-techno department, and the academic dean and the class teacher also, Gomati madam, was also with us because she was able to coordinate from April 7th all the bridge course program also. So kindly I'm handing over the students from grade 5 to grade 6 to the techno segment, madam. Sarla madam, kindly you can accept and you can give a speech over them to motivate them, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, Sarla ma'am will explain about techno segment with few words.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. First, I congratulate each and every child for getting graduated from 5th to 6th standard. You have every student to my segment. And as ma'am told us, club activities, you have to reduce the time, the club activities time. And this is the time for you to get into JEE and NEET. So you are going to concentrate only on studies. So you will have extra chance. It will be reduced.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is breaking. If you want, you switch off your camera and you can deliver a speech.
Is it okay now, ma'am?
Now okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So welcome, students. I once again welcome you all to e-techno segment. and which is going to be fully filled with the examinations, with the JEE and CDF examination in our tomorrow's class. I believe tomorrow your sessions are starting in Techno. We will have an elaborate session describing what is JEE, what is CDF from our end. We will explain you tomorrow about our Techno segment. Now I once again thank Principal Sir and Shobita Ma'am, VP Ma'am for inviting me and giving me this opportunity and handing over your students to us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Shobita ma'am.
Shobita ma'am. Shobita ma'am. Ma'am, Gomati ma'am is there.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Students, she is Gomati ma'am. We feel proud to introduce her. She's going to be your new class teacher. So I also feel privileged to hand over my students to you, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
These
Sure,
are really budding,
okay, ma'am.
lovable kids.
Yeah, ma'am. Really, they are wonderful students, ma'am.
They'll support us a lot in each and every event. If we keep forward one step, they'll move towards us 1,000 miles. So such a lovable kids.
Thank you
Ma'am,
so much.
I'll ask Shakti to perform now, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, give me co-host option, ma'am. Once I mute, I was unable to unmute. Co-host.
Already. Oh, okay, okay. Shakti.
Shakti.
Shakti, raise your hands, ma'am. And so she has left because of network issue. Yes, ma'am, she's ready. Rupa ma'am, actually we planned it in the beginning, but
It's all right, ma'am.
okay.
Shakti, if you want, remove your specs, Kana.
So pretty she's looking, Shakti. Fully dressed. All the best, Kanna.
Ma'am, Shakti, raise your hands. I'll give you co-host, ma, so your voice.
Ma'am, spotlighted, ma'am. Already spotlighted. Shakti, you can start, ma'am.
Yes.
Sani dada papa magari risa sari sapa mada pama pakasa sani dada papa magari
Thank you, Shakti. That was wonderful.
Thank you so much, Shakti. Super. Keep growing.
It was so nice, Shakti. Very nice, very pretty.
Thank you, ma'am.
I request our beloved parents to share few words about the last academic year.
Ma'am, we'll end it with vote of thanks and
No, ma'am. Let's our parents will share their views. Then we can end with vote of thanks and national anthem. Any parents are willing to share your experience with us? Please raise your hands. I think all our parents were busy enough. I request one of our parent as well as teacher, Mrs. Bhuneshwari ma'am, to share her experience. Bhuneshwari ma'am. Bhuneshwari ma'am. Yes, Tanish mother is ready.
Yes, good morning, teachers. Really very happy to see this online graduation ceremony. Really, it was when we received the message, it was really great surprise to see this. We have seen as children, we have graduated them from KG to the primary, but this was really an excellent idea and really very good. And I really want to thank all the teachers who kept on motivating the children now and then to to cope up with the online classes. Though in the beginning we had certain issues, but then everything was streamlined. And really, Sharmila ma'am, I thank you very much for all your support. She was available for us throughout the year. Shobita ma'am, thank you very much. Durga ma'am, really, my son was really happy with you. Thank you very much. Principal sir, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for the entire support given from your side, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank
you. That ma'am.
I would like to thank everyone for the wonderful support the school, which has given, the environment which the school has created quickly. And very big thanks to all the teachers. Every teacher, we cannot name a single teacher that she was good or he was, all the teachers did their wonderful job, and they had very supportive to the students. But I had one thing which I want to convey. Initially the sessions were very slow, but at the last moment it was like running up like last few months it was like rushing like anything. The point was kids were though they were it was bit difficulty that we had gains. Kids and teachers have also supported to make them do some work, but over pressure makes them lose their confidence and what is this every time we have do this, write this, prepare exams and all. It will be better if the pace is being generalized, not very slow in the beginning and the last moment rushing up to complete the
Sure,
question.
sure, ma'am.
Madam,
Definitely.
That
good
point
morning.
alone I
Good
want to
morning,
show.
madam. To add up
Yeah.
this point, actually, starting what you're telling was right, madam. But starting the initial phase, we were going a little bit slow because we didn't get that slow transition was happening. Subject to the condition, November month only when we took the thing data inputs from different schools and different stakeholders also. What happened is that we were completed only 40% of the portion. So from December 3rd, 2020 only, we were in a position to consolidate and come up, madam. This academic year, surely it will not happen. Throughout the academic year, the phase and momentum will be maintained, madam. Anyway, thanks for sharing your inputs. Surely that won't happen this academic year, madam. So some hits and misses might be there. So surely we'll overcome that, madam. Yeah. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Siddharth. Yes.
Ma'am, vote of thanks.
Vote of thanks. Thanks is not a literal word. It is more than that. Leaving is sometimes tearful. Leaving is sometimes tearful, sad, and heart-wrenching event. But I feel very proud and satisfied, and my face is filled with smile because I know you are forever mine. That is my lovable kids. You're always my kids, wherever to level, whichever level you all grow up. So you're my students. And this small distance between us will never change anything. The love and affection, what I share to you and what you share to me, and the respect you all give on us. All the best for your future endeavors. Remember always, the end of something is going to pave the beginning path of a wonderful new era. So remember, the end of something is going to pave you the path to a wonderful art. We'll all pray to this Almighty that all this pandemic situation around us should end and we should all meet back physically in the classroom. Enjoy our schooling days, which is going to be the lovable and memorable event throughout in our life. Now, I just call upon Kavin Ganesh and I request everybody to raise to your seats for the national anthem. Kavin. School standard is attention. School standard is attention. Yes, students, this is our national anthem, right? So we'll stand up in the attention position. This is the respect what we give for our country. Ma'am, Kavin, raise your hands. No, I'll give you codes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kavin. You're ready, Kavin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can start, Kavin. Jai Hind. Rupa ma'am. Rupa ma'am, thanks a lot.
Ma'am was not there, I
Thank
think.
you a lot, ma'am. From the beginning till the end, you were there beside us.
We have collected the data like adoption teacher.
Sharmila Devi, madam, shall we end the meeting,
Yes,
madam?
yes, sir. I'll end the session, sir.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Thank you, students. Thank you, parents. It was a wonderful day. Thanks a lot. I'll end the session. Okay, anytime, we all teachers are reachable to you. Thank you. I'll end the session, sir.